Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Evelyn at Petsadena Animal Hospital. Let's talk about eye problems. Eye problems in dogs and cats are pretty common. Some of the signs you might see if your pet's experiencing a problem with their eyes would include discharge coming from the eye, whether it's just clear tearing or green or yellow discharge, potentially squinting excessively, pawing at the eyes, swelling around the eyelids, maybe even looking like the eye is protruding, and eye redness. Some of the causes for potential eye issues include a pet having dry eye, potentially some kind of injury or trauma to the eye. Glaucoma is another reason. High eye pressures can cause changes to the eyes as well. And of course, allergies, some foreign material getting into the eyes, and even eyelid issues. If your pet's experiencing any problems with their eyes, it's extremely important to get to your veterinarian as soon as possible, as some of these eye issues can threaten their vision. When your pet comes in to be seen by the veterinarian, they'll typically perform a thorough ophthalmic exam or eye exam to assess for some of these abnormalities we discussed. Based on that examination, they'll make recommendations for eye tests. It's usually recommended that if we see an eye that's red or irritated, that we perform 3 basic eye tests. That includes checking the tear production to look for dry eye, checking the eye pressure to look for glaucoma or low eye pressures that suggest inflammation in the eye, and last, doing what's called an eye stain, where we check to see if there's any scratches or abrasions on the surface of the eye or the cornea. Depending on the eye condition suspected, your veterinarian may recommend treatment that you can take home directly, or they may actually recommend referral to an ophthalmologist if they think there's an emergency situation. Let's talk about treatments. Treatments typically include medications you're going to apply directly into the eye. So medications such as eye drops or eye ointments. Sometimes we'll recommend rinses to clear the eyes, and sometimes we'll even recommend medications orally, like antibiotics if we suspect an infection that needs oral antibiotics, or even anti-inflammatories or pain medications if we suspect there's pain, discomfort, or inflammation. If we have something like allergies that might be causing an issue, your veterinarian will talk to you about chronic management for those allergies so that we can prevent these issues from coming back again. Even once we've diagnosed and are treating eye issues, follow-up is still important. Again, because some of these conditions can threaten your pet's vision, it's important that we assess that the condition has been resolved or is improving the way we expect so that we get the best outcome.